In this lesson, we're going to learn how to use the parting line draft with a step. First, let's create a split line. Right-click on the face. Insert Sketch. Choose the Normal To view. Now let's select the Line tool and create a sketch. OK. All the way to this corner, let's close it. Let's define it. And OK. Let's exit the sketch. Now we'll insert that split line. Insert, select Curve, and select Split Line. Select Projection from the Type of Split selection area. From our tree, we'll select Sketch 3. And I'm only going to select this face. Click OK. All right. Now select the Draft tool. And from the Type of Draft drop-down menu, let's select the Step Draft. We'll leave it at 15 degrees. Direction to pull. I'll select the bottom face this time. Parting lines. We will select the lines we just created. Now we are ready to preview. Click on the Preview button. And here is our parting line draft with a step. You can unselect the Preview button to see how the parting line without a step looks. Okay, unselect that. Let's go back to the parting line with step and click Accept. This concludes our review of parting line draft with a step.